Differences between the socialism and the communism. The first one is the socialism. Individual can own property. I told you earlier while you are having the live class that the individual can own property, but it will the percentage will be the 10%. The central government control communism and extreme form of the socialism. No private property. All property is community on central government central all means of the productions and provide citizens with their basic necessities, housing, medical care and education. So communism meaning 100% control of the government and the socialism 90%, or we can say the 80 to 90% control of the government. So next topic is the Cold War not became hot reasons. The first one is the understanding that the destruction caused by use of the atom bombs is too costly for any country to bear. The logic is simple yet powerful because it is a very costly to uh, to put the atom bomb on any other country, or we can say that the it did not convert into the third world war. It became the cold war because of the financial circumstances. Second one is the when two rival powers are in possession of the nuclear weapons capable of inflicting death and the destructions unacceptable to each other, a full-fledged war is unlikely, because we can say that the USSR and USA both are having the two powers possession. Two both powers they are having the nuclear weapons. That's why they this war became became hot. This became the hot war. The next one is the in spite of the provocations, neither side would want to risk war since no political gains would justify the destruction of their societies. The next one is in the event of the nuclear war, both sides will be so badly harmed that it will be become impossible to declare one side or the other side as the winner. So we can say that there are the because of the nuclear events, we can say that the they did not know the real power of the both superpowers, and already they knew that they will destruct a lot because both superpower are having the nuclear bombs. So they because of these reasons, we can say that these reasons this cold war did not convert into the hot war. So tomorrow we will study about the next one, that would be the next points. We will study about the highlighted points and the key points also. So till then, take care.